Okay, today, rear suspension. Replace the thrust washers on my rear spring perches. And then I have a clicking, clanking noise that I'm hearing over bumps, so I'll try to investigate where the hell that's coming from. Alright, preload removed from both rear springs. Next, I will release the lower control arm, both sides at the same time, then I can pull them both down and the sway bar will drop with it. Remove the spring perch and replace the thrust washer. Okay, so here is the rear perch. The old thrust washer is pretty dirty, a little rusty, not really effective. And just to be straight, this isn't really for anything besides ease of adjustment. When I spin the perch with the spring on under pressure, I don't have to relieve the pressure, it just spins right up, so I can adjust the height between spring and summer or whatever I need to do. So the base, a little rust on the inside, there's a little rust on the top of the A-arm. I think mostly just from this though. This is the Silver's bottom perch. It has an O-ring on the bottom to try to eliminate some of the noise that you might hear. I have zero noise from the rear, so I'm very happy with that. I mean, besides the mystery knocking that I have, but normally everything's good. So I'm gonna spin these all the way off, clean the threads, just maintain them a bit. So I'm not gonna use those anymore. I have new ones greased up and ready, same as I had on the front, or that I did on the front yesterday. Just gonna spray a little simple green on these and wipe them with a brush. Then I'll just take a brush to the inside of the actual perch threads. They look pretty clean, but just use a brass bristle brush. So they're clean. I might take a wire brush to the rust that's inside of the cup. I don't want to damage the O-ring though. Okay, I'll spin these back on. Now the new thrust bearing. Goes washer, bearing, and then washer. See a little bit of rust on the control arm. I think it's mainly rust from the actual perch. It's not really, I think the powder coat for the most part is still good on here. So I'll clean that off quick. The upper isolator looks good, no issues there. Okay, now everything's bolted back together. Good. Thrust washers installed. And that's it. Suspension all back together. I went through and checked the end links, control arms, toe arms, upper camber arms, everything's tight. I did not lube the sway bar. I'll have to do that next time. So it's nice having all kinds of money in your suspension, but if you don't take care of it, it's just gonna go to shit anyway. So if I can stress anything, it's maintenance before performance. Take care of your stuff and it'll last longer and be trouble-free for years. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time.